Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Essentials. Your iPhone 16 Pro must be on iOS 17. 4 or later and have at least 30% battery. Once done, make sure you're signed into the App Store with your Apple ID and Face ID or passcode ready for quick installs. Now open the App Store and search Genmoji. This narrows to the correct app page so you don't download clones. Tap the app to view permissions, screenshots, and the Install button before proceeding. Tap Get or the Price button and authenticate with Face ID or your passcode so the download begins immediately. Once installed, open Genmoji and grant permissions it requests: camera for live expressions, mic for voice-driven features, and photos for custom backgrounds, because missing permissions limit functionality. Then complete the onboarding flow. Create or import an avatar, choose style presets, and let the app calibrate to your face. This step ensures stickers and animations track accurately during use. Finish by enabling the Genmoji keyboard. Go to Settings, General Keyboards, add Genmoji, then allow full access so stickers export correctly. After that, test in Messages and social apps. Send a few animated stickers and tweak expression sensitivity and lighting for consistent tracking. If you run into failures, app crashes, frozen avatar, or export errors, reboot the phone first, reinstall the app if problems persist, and finally reset app permissions. That usually resolves permission or cache-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.